Gamers, I'm here. I'm live again. I'm watching the Animal Crossing New Horizons Direct. I just woke up. I woke up way earlier than I would normally have liked to for this. I hope it's good. I'm excited for Animal Crossing. I'm about to fuck around and become an Animal Crossing streamer when this game comes out. I also don't usually like streaming on a day where I have work. But for you, Tom Nook, I will. I can't believe they got Justin McElroy to star as Tom Nook in this one. God damn, I could really go for a margarita. I would like to know about Nook Inc.'s Deserted Island Getaway Package. Oh yeah, I should probably post a link for the goddamn Discord server that I mod. It's not related to my Twitch-related endeavors, but it's still pretty goddamn cool. I should really share this Twitch link to the Discord server that I moderate. I don't know why I haven't. Oh well. I think they gotta stop having their shit at 6 a.m. I'd like for their shit to be at noon Eastern. That's pretty good for me. I don't have to wake up too early, and if I have work, I can still do it. I gotta do something real quick. Oh, shit. Greetings to you, too. Thanks. Yeah, our long-awaited. Hell yeah. 3 parts? That's good. I need that. I forgot a lot of it. Future development plans. DLC?
Thank you for choosing the Nook Inc. Deserted Island Getaway Package. This is one trip that we here at Nook Inc. can recommend with confidence. Your destination is a peaceful island where it's the little things that count. Like mingling with neighbors, designing your home, and simply enjoying life. Since we're nearing departure, it's high time we detail the many features and perks included in the Getaway Package.
This is so good.
Upon arrival at the local airport, you'll be met with a deserted island positively teeming with nature's bounty. When applying for the Getaway Package, you can choose the island you wish to move to from a wide range of options.
Oh.
Would you like to live in the Northern Hemisphere or the Southern Hemisphere?
What?
Don't worry, no matter which you choose, you'll experience all that the 4 seasons have to offer right from your island.
I gotta do Northern Hemisphere. It would be so fucked up.
Your departure date is scheduled for March 20th.
Yeah, winter and
That's when
summer.
the Northern Hemisphere will just be warming up for spring. You won't have to wait long for the cherry blossoms to be in full bloom.
The cherry blossom. Oh my gosh. This looks so pretty in bento boxes.
Summertime brings its own share of delights. You'll see a wealth of lush greenery,
I don't
not
like
to
the bug.
mention a veritable treasure trove of bugs native to the island. Come autumn, the color of the leaves on the trees will gradually change, and so too will the activities available to you,
This
from
game looks
collecting
so pretty.
seeds and mushrooms to gathering autumn leaves. And in winter, the island transforms into a chilly snowscape. The usual winter activities are a jolly good time.
Oh my
And
goodness.
the night sky above is particularly spectacular
Here
this time
in
of
this
year.
video game on this
As you
Nintendo
can
Switch
see,
in the
when
winter.
the seasons change, the activities available to you change along with them. But the simple joys of nature are just one reason that the island is such a great setting for your new life. Not long after your arrival, you and your fellow residents will receive an orientation session from the Nook Inc. staff. At this time, you'll be provided with a tent included in your getaway package.
Alright.
You can chat with other residents about where you want to set up your new home base. And theirs. If they're not sure where to move, please help them find the perfect place for their new lives as well. Hopefully,
Is that gonna fuck
you'll
up that
agree that
tree? It
cooperation
did.
between residents can be pretty fun. Although you're moving to a deserted island, you're still getting a package deal. On the island, we've included 2 facilities to make your life there more comfortable. Visit this tent in the plaza to access Resident Services,
I
which
am
is here
loving
to
the music.
support all of your daily needs. It's open 24 hours a day, providing residents with services such as the sale of everyday goods, the purchase of unwanted items, and helpful advice about living on a deserted island. And by attending our free DIY workshops, you'll learn how to craft a variety of items.
Minecraft.
First, just learn the DIY recipe. Then, choose what to make.
This is like Pocket Camp.
And there you have it. It's ready. As you can see, with enough recipes and the right materials, you can build a plethora of wonderful things, even on a deserted island. You'll enrich your life with your own hands.
I cannot wait to turn that tin into a
Are
house.
you experienced with DIY crafting? Well then, stop by our customization workshop, where you can learn skills like changing the color of your DIY furniture or decorating them with your own custom designs.
Hey, custom designs. That clover one is so cute.
Making the tools and furniture you need by hand is of vital importance on the deserted island. It's our wish that you learn these DIY skills by taking advantage of our workshops.
Putting all this shit outside is a great idea, and I love it.
Welcome to the airport, where you'll first land on the island. It's also available for use year-round, 24 hours a day, beginning the day after your arrival.
There's a dodo!
At the airport, you can
Orville.
use the internet or local wireless to invite residents of other islands to yours.
Hey, if you're my friend, I'm coming to your island.
And you can also travel to and visit other islands yourself.
Just the 2 dipshits running around in a circle.
In this
Pinky.
way, up to 8 people,
The tulip
including
flowers.
you, can be on a given island at one time. Feel free to get a good group together and make some memories. The airport is good for more than trips through the sky. It also offers an in-game postal service, allowing you to send messages. Feel free to use this service to interact with other residents.
Hell. Oh.
Will this be your first time living somewhere so remote? On a deserted island, no less?
Yeah.
Don't worry. Here are 3 big ways we plan to support you in acquainting yourself with your new surroundings.
What's the service?
You're starting a new life, so in addition to your tent, Nook Inc. will provide some basic necessities as well as services. No need to worry.
Bed? Oh. Well, cot works.
Of these, the true standout is your specially built Nook phone. It has the standard apps like a camera and map, but over time, we will provide new applications to support all your deserted island needs.
DLC for phone?
At the start of each day, our CEO, Mr. Nook, will make an island-wide broadcast to all residents, complete with a greeting, the latest on important island events, deserted island life advice, and more. Since this is likely your first time on a deserted island, we're offering guidance and inspiration through the Nook Mileage Program. They're great for when you're looking to participate in some activities and you're in need of some recommendations.
I'm just smiling.
And as you have these experiences, you'll build up miles, like so.
What can you do with the miles?
The miles you save up can be used to pay off the cost of the getaway package, and they can eventually be exchanged for in-game rewards at the Nook Stop Terminal in Residence Services.
Hey, what about Bell? Oh, there are
Rewards
bells.
range from in-game Nook Inc.
Wait.
merchandise to helpful items that can enrich your time on the island.
Oh.
To get the most out of every day,
Yes.
try collecting miles using the Nook Mileage Program.
The fan.
Nook Inc. is here for you, but remember, the island is very much deserted. And so we'd like to take this opportunity to talk about some possible hitches you might encounter and their solutions. This is one nature-rich island. It's possible that you could encounter dangerous insects such as wasps or scorpions.
Scorpions?
If you get stung, you may end up somewhat irritated
I'll be
or
irritated.
worse.
And I'll
Should you come
die.
across one you don't think you can catch, try not to push your luck and consider retreat. Symptoms can be cured with medicine available at resident
Picking
services.
up a wasp nest?
And we recommend keeping some on you, just in case.
Oh, that's good. You can
Nighttime
just
on the
buy
island can get a little dark. You're on your own, and you never know what creatures might be lurking out there. Please be careful when taking a late-night stroll. The getaway
ghost?
package promises a little adventure.
Oh, Wisp
so
is here.
if you think about it, this is actually a plus. Your deserted island is surrounded by the sea, which means you may come across a castaway from time to time.
Oh, shit.
Luckily, rescue is simple. First, give them a holler to make sure they're doing okay. Then keep them company until they wake up. Please offer all the support you can. They're relying on you to make it home.
Nyam, nyam, nyam.
Although your Nook phone has a map application, it's theoretically possible you could get lost or find yourself unable to move forward. In situations like these, it's best not to panic. Instead, simply use the rescue service. You'll be transported somewhere
Captain.
cozier in no time.
500 bells.
Given the services we've introduced so far, there should be plenty to enjoy on the island already. But if you want your in-game life to be even more comfortable, we will offer a number of optional extras.
What are they? Tell me.
Does the environment seem a bit rough? Do you need a little more space for all your stuff? If you said yes to either of these questions, then we have an option for you. Building a house. The loan has no deadline, no interest, and no assessment. And there's no need to worry about applying for one. You can pay it back at your own pace. A house offers so much more space than the tent you'll start with, and also has its own storage spaces capable of holding any furniture and baggage you're not displaying. That way, everything's nice and tidy. get to be your very
can't wait to
own
make a
interior
home.
designer, setting up the walls and flooring however you like. Really get the most out of living there.
This is the best game ever made.
We've made it easy for you to change patterns at any time. As you can see here,
Oh, is this like Happy
we
Home
do some of
Designer?
the heavy lifting, freeing you up to focus on redecorating while viewing the room as a whole.
Oh, this is so fucking cute. This is the best game ever made.
If you own a house, we can also offer you
Yeah.
additional extension and remodeling services. Whatever your situation, we have appropriate plans available, so please don't hesitate to ask us about them. Your Nook Miles can be exchanged for in-game rewards, including Nook Miles tickets. These can be used to travel to distant islands. The destination of these
Damn.
tours differs each time and depends on how the pilot is feeling. They're mystery tours, so to speak. These far-off destinations are small deserted islands full of trees and flowers. Of course, you can take many items back home with you, whether it's DIY materials or creatures.
Oh my goodness.
It's a nice change of atmosphere, and you may experience some unexpected encounters.
Margie.
We're certain these tours will prove to be one of our most popular services, leading to many repeat customers. Why not give it a try?
A spider. What's the third extra?
With our package plan, up to 8 people can live on one island.
I cannot wait.
One optional extra provided only to those islands with multiple residents is called Party Play. With this way to play, you can call up other residents who live on the same island as you, allowing up to 4 residents to enjoy exploring the island together at the same time. Whoever calls the others is the leader, making the others the followers. They can follow the leader around. That way, everyone can spend time together.
Oh,
As you can see, it's easy to change out the assigned leader. That way, followers can quickly take turns doing what they want to do, even if it's just a little shopping. Any creatures or other items found by followers will be stored in a recycle box at the Resident Services
I wish I
building.
had,
Please make sure to stop by and pick them up later.
Of course I'll still do the online play, but I wish there were a way to have multiple people on my island.
We are developing a web service within the Nintendo Switch Online app
Of
for
course.
real-world smart devices. It's called Nook Link. As an example, this service lets you scan QR code patterns of custom designs.
Oh, that's how they're
Such a
doing the
tool,
QR
you can
codes
use
this
your
time.
smartphone's camera function to scan the QR codes of custom designs created in the Animal
Oh,
Crossing
shit.
New Leaf or Animal Crossing Happy Home Designer games,
That's a great
and
idea.
then download them via Nook Link. When connected online, you can talk with owners of Animal Crossing New Horizons and the Nintendo Switch Online smartphone app using your smartphone as a keyboard or for voice chat.
Let's move our chairs next.
Nook
Let's move
Link
our froggy
is
chairs
planned
next to
launch
each
in
other.
March of 2020,
Just kidding.
Soon after
Unless
the scheduled departure included in your deserted island getaway package. We hope it will enhance your experience on the island.
I will. Thank you. I am. I'll move in tonight. Now you're talking like a weirdo. What the fuck is part 2 gonna be if that's how you're opening up?
With the getaway package, you'll really get that deserted island bang for your buck,
Oh.
especially with only a couple of neighbors for company at the start. But our hope is to eventually invite more residents and develop the island into a bustling community.
I love that little gerbil with the polka dot shirt.
For this reason, we're planning to invite more animal residents to come live here. That said, we don't want you to feel like we're inviting others into your space carelessly. As such, we've secured this land in advance.
Oh shit.
And in some cases, you may be able to invite some residents yourself.
So are they...
But we won't stop there. We're also planning to build additional facilities on the island. Examples include a museum showcasing the rich ecosystem on the island,
This better fucking not be DLC.
a shop full of ready-made furniture and goods you can't craft yourself,
If this is DLC, I'm gonna shit. This better be in
a
base
tailor
game.
offering clothing and fashion items, and a campsite where you can invite guests for recreational purposes.
Rodney!
We're hoping to enrich our residents'
Oh my God,
lives
the
and
museum
foster
looks
a
better than
sophisticated
ever.
culture on the island by gradually adding shops and facilities, with a little help from some connections our CEO made in the past.
Rodney. Seriously?
The Resident Services Center is only a simple tent now, but we plan to eventually expand this tent into a proper building.
The
We
Mayhem
will also
results.
continue to expand our housing business, which is one of the main departments of Nook Inc. We can and will offer to expand or remodel your house while providing moving services for your house or local facilities. Also,
Isabel!
for remodeling, we'll lean on staff experienced in providing operational support.
I love
That
Isabel's
way,
Hawaiian
we can
shirt.
offer the utmost in services and advice regarding the overall environment of your island. We're hoping to accept not only new residents,
I
but
love this
also any guests
hairstyle.
who are tentatively paying a visit to the island. First of all, tourists are always welcome. In these cultural exchanges, we can show visitors what makes our island so special, while simultaneously learning about customs we aren't familiar with.
Oh, the magic jar.
We're actively accepting any traveling merchants who can offer up items that cannot be crafted on the island.
Kicks. Oh my gosh.
And eventually, we will host a variety
I'm about
of
to fuck
events
around and
for you
become
to
an
take
Animal
part in,
Crossing
such as
streamer
fishing
after when this
tourneys
game come out.
and bug-offs at the plaza in front of Resident Services.
I don't like
Through free
Flick very
updates,
much.
we plan to introduce special events with seasonal guests and more. We
Okay.
hope you continue to enjoy our services.
So they
We're
aren't gonna
sure
be
you'll
in base
agree
game.
that starting over on a deserted island is already an attractive proposition. But here at Nook Inc., we really want our residents to create a one-of-a-kind island that they're proud to call their home. To help you develop such a place and realize your creative vision, we're able to offer you a range of additional
Funky
services.
monkey.
These include ways to help you and your fellow residents get from point
Hey.
A to point B. By building bridges and slopes, you'll be able to comfortably walk around the island without relying on handmade tools like vaulting poles and ladders.
I cannot wait for all
And
this.
once the island is fully decked out, we will provide you with a permit.
Whoa.
You can use it to freely pave your own paths.
Oh my gosh.
In addition, we can also provide with a permit that allows you to undergo major construction on the terrain itself,
You
including
gotta be
rivers
kidding me.
and
Oh my
cliffs.
gosh. Terraforming in Animal Crossing?
With your very own infrastructure maintenance and construction permits, you can flex your creative muscle across the island. Make the most
Bro?
of them to make your island your dream home.
This looks so fucked up.
As As you've seen today, the Deserted Island Getaway Package offers you a wild new life surrounded by nature, just as its name suggests. Or you can lead a comfortable life in a perfectly planned community. The choice is yours.
Add cooking. Add cooking.
What kind of life do you want to live?
A cool one. With lots of friends.
The Deserted Island Getaway Package, presented by Nook Inc. Your departure is on track for March 20th of 2020. We're looking forward to meeting you all on the island.
Where's part 3 though? I want those frequently asked questions. I do. Yes, I have questions.
Can I play the game together with my family on a single Nintendo Switch system? With one Nintendo Switch system and the game, up to 8 people in your family can live on one shared island. The maximum number of residents for an island is 8. Each user can register one resident, and each resident can of course build their own house.
I won't use this because I'm the only person with my
Does
Switch.
the game support Amiibo?
Please, God.
Yes, the game supports Amiibo figures and Amiibo cards from
Thank
the
God.
Animal Crossing series.
Hey. Welcome. We're getting to Amiibo
You can
support
also
right now.
invite these familiar faces to Photopia, an island that exists someplace out there where you
What?
can place models and creative photo shoots.
What am I looking at? Photopia?
We plan to support additional characters in the future.
KK
Do you
Slider
want
isn't
more
in the base
information
game?
about visiting friends? While visiting other islands online, you can communicate
What?
with friends or players not registered as friends using temporary passwords.
KK Slider better
These
be in the
features
base
can be
game.
restricted via parental controls.
Yeah?
In order to protect the environment of your island, some tools like axes and shovels are forbidden in visits with friends. However, friends who are registered as best friends can use these tools. It's no problem. Please use this feature when interacting with your closest friends.
Don't trust
What if I
nobody.
lose my save data? Animal Crossing New Horizons does not support the Save Data Cloud feature. However, we're planning
What?
to offer a service for recovering backed up save data from the server in certain circumstances,
yeah.
such as console damage or loss.
Sometime after
Will there
launch,
be
huh?
a special theme system to go along with the game?
Yeah, when they
Yes.
started busting out the
A special
waterfall, that
edition
was
Animal
crazy.
Crossing theme system will be
was
released on
wild.
March 13th.
I
a
need
week
those
before the
Joy-Cons.
game launches. A separate matching carrying case will be available the same day.
I need the
Nook Inc.
Joy-Cons.
supervised the console design for your playing pleasure. Will there be any
Not
free
necessarily-
updates after launch? Yes. We will offer free updates after the game launches, and we'll continue to provide free seasonal events
You did-
throughout the year.
You did tell me this already, but thank you.
The first free update will be on launch day, March 20th.
Oh?
By installing this update, you can celebrate Bunny Day with a special event in April. Also, we're planning to roll out a special offer for both Animal Crossing Pocket Camp and Animal Crossing New Horizons, through which players can receive special items in each.
I mean, I guess that makes
Details
sense.
will be announced at a later date from the official
guess.
Animal Crossing Pocket Camp Twitter account, so stay tuned.
I guess it makes sense that they don't need to program shit that hasn't happened yet, because they took out the ability to time travel after this presentation. I will never follow you, Tom. Yeah, it seems kind of impossible to time travel in this one. Hi, Isabel. But yeah, I guess it makes sense because, you aren't really supposed to... It won't really be possible to see holidays that haven't occurred yet, so, like, why would they need to put those holidays in, you know? That makes sense to me. It's just kind of weird how they presented it. They presented some of this kind of weird, and they said, like, future development plans include stuff like the Able Sisters, and the museum, and stuff like that, and I hope that's in the base game. If that is not, like, even if it's a free update, I'll be kind of upset if that's not in base game, you know? I hope it's in base game. Well, that was the Animal Crossing Direct. Let's play some Kunio-kun, because I'm still gaming. I hope you just have to build those places. It was hard to tell. I couldn't tell. I still can't. Offline play. Quality up. What's quality up about him? Wait a minute. Oh, thank God. There's quality up versions of, like, these. Of River City Ransom. What's the quality up? Oh, shit. That is very crucial, actually. The lag reduction is critical. The lag reduction is so important. I don't know which one to play. There's a basketball one. Yeah, I'll play the basketball one. No, a bunch of them are sports titles. I don't care about this. I like a lot that they localized, like, a bunch of games. They localized, like, 11 games. Sure. Pass and shoot. Oh, sure. I don't know how to play basketball. Hey, I like these guys. The Neketsu Dunkers versus the New York Kids. Whoa. How do I run? I found out the pause button is X for some reason. How do I jump? Okay, so I'm only controlling Kunio then. What? Oh, I'm worn out. Yeah, the sidebars are very good. Okay, what? Oh shit. Ah! Why did I thought I would just pick up the basketball? I'm glad I can punch. Okay, so R is a dedicated jump button. Where'd you go? Oh. Oh my gosh. I'm trying. I need to dunk. I don't know how to play this game. Oh my god. Ah, damn, bounced off the top rim. I wish real basketball games were like this. He went for that though. What? I don't know how to play Kunio. Oh! Hey, no! I didn't want to throw it. That's fine, I guess. What? I do not know how to play basketball. This is just like basketball in real life. I like the little, the spin kick. Why would you... Oh, wow. Hey! Oh, yeah? I'll do... random again, I guess. Whoa. Oh, X is pause, I forgot. I liked it when they pulled up on skateboards. I cannot wait for Animal Crossing. Animal Crossing is gonna be so good. I want to play it now. I wish I could run fast. Alright, let me shoot. I'm gonna shoot. I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna shoot a basketball. What? I didn't want to throw it. I will take... This is a lot. I wish I knew how to shoot a basketball. How have we been getting points? Whoa! I just shot a free throw from the entire court away. Bro, Ricky keeps on dunking. Ricky keeps on slamming it. I don't want to keep passing it to Ricky now. Oh, thank God. Oh. Oh no. Video gaming. I'm glad I can attack. Also, it looks like some of the ones that they say haven't been localized before are just like re-localized versions of fucking River City Ransom. Like, it looks like they just redid it. It looks like they just unlocalized and retranslated, you know? I am so happy that they, like, actually put these games into English for the first time, though. Fuck. Damn it. I've never won at basketball. Oh my god. Back to game select. Oh. It wasn't clear which one was selected. Yeah, this kicks ass pretty good. These are all Famicom games. But yeah, like, I think this one's just River City Ransom again. What is Renegade? Nice. What? Huh? Oh. I don't know what's happening. Oh my god. Oh no. What? Why am I kicking behind me? Yeah, we're way longer than we're normally. Why do some of the moves just get behind me? Why would I want... And why is the start button on an NES controller mapped to X on here? Whoa. Am I going crazy, or does this game suck? I have to get out of here. Oh, shit. Well, I got out of there. Get more. Ah! So if I fall down there... Okay, so I just have to beat up all these guys. Why? I do not understand why, like, sometimes it defaults to an attack that just kind of goes behind you. Oh, wait. Okay, the timer. The goal's just to live. I still don't get why, like, it just randomly attacks behind me. I don't know if I'm gonna understand that. See? I'm facing towards him. I'm pressing towards him. Alright, one more go. Like, why? Why is that just... It just happens. Oh my god. Renegade. You know, I'm thinking maybe there's a reason why I didn't hear that one before this collection came out. Well, yeah, I kind of don't want to play Kunio anymore. I'll play online later if anyone wants to, but yeah, I'm done for now. Well, I hope you enjoyed Animal Crossing. I enjoyed Animal Crossing.